Hi, I'm Brooke Custis, the principal of Creekside Elementary, and welcome to our 23-24 Creekside Open House. Our theme this year is the Zest Year Ever. This is an opportunity for us to meet our families and parents to make connections with teachers and their bus drivers, and we have a special treat at the end of the evening to celebrate our theme. Hope you have a wonderful time.
Hi, my name is Sophie Newton. I'm the Family Resource Coordinator here at Creekside Elementary. And what we do at the Family Resource Center is we decrease non-academic barriers to learning. So that can be anything from school supplies, helping families with basic needs such as clothing or food. We do a lot of things in and around the school, so you'll see us around. But I have some great information about sleep and attendance because that's really important to make sure that your student is successful in school. So if you have any questions or need some services from us, you can contact me at 270-369-6238.
Thank you for visiting us at Creekside, and I hope everyone has the Zest Year Ever.